Hey everyone, it's Donna from Donna's Corn Free Cooking, and I'm back here today. Instead of doing a video on a corn-free recipe, I am going to share a little bit of knowledge about how to make your own particular spices. I've already got some mixed up in here, but what it has to do with is making this particular spice. It's called Beau Monde or Beau Monde, and strictly the ingredients are salt, dextrose, onion, celery seed, and silicon dioxide. Now, when you're allergic to corn, dextrose is a corn sugar that can be very detrimental to you, causing you to have an attack. So I love using this particular spice to make my dill dip and various other things I use it in. And so I decided, okay, I'm going to get those two ingredients and I'm going to make my own. That way I know that it's corn free. My celery salt here, the only thing it is salt and celery seed. And then my onion powder is just strictly that, pure onion powder. Now what I have done, I am taking a 1/2 ounce of the onion powder and putting it in here. There it is. And I'm shaking it out and to even it, the level. And then I'm going to take a 1/2 ounce of the celery seed. Do the same thing with that. And celery seed can get a little clunky, so you have to kind of use a spoon to break it up in order to get it to pour properly. Okay, now this particular little measuring cup, it has the 1 ounce right there, and as you can see, I've got 1/2 and 1/2 of both. So what I'm going to do, I take my spoon and I mix it up really well, and then I'm going to take a napkin here and set that on there, and then I'm just going to pour it into my spice jar. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'll mix it up pretty well, then I'll shake it good once I get it in the jar. So I'm making 2 ounces of this particular spice that should last me for months. Okay, now I'm going to put this one in here, and any little bits I get on this napkin, I will go ahead and put it in. Now I will put a lid on that, and then I'm going to start shaking it really well to get it all mixed so that you don't have too much celery salt and not enough onion powder. And if you look at that and then look at this, they're identical. So that's my little tip on starting to make your own spices. You can also, lemon pepper is another big favorite of mine that I love to use on my baked chicken, but it is full of dextrose. So I would say to do that, I'd take a fresh lemon and grate the peel and get the peel off and let that peel dry, and then mix that with ground pepper, and then you've got lemon pepper. So there's an easy way to do this and to keep from contaminating yourself with the corn that is so dangerous to those of us who are allergic. So I hope you'll try this little trick, and I'll keep trying to share tricks with you as I go along. It's like I said, it's been a learning process over the last 16 years, but I just keep plugging along, and I know that you can too. So until next time, bye.